Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. In today's episode, we're diving into the best clarinet for beginner students, the Vangoa B-flat clarinet. Whether you're a young musician joining a school band or an adult looking to explore the world of woodwinds, this instrument could be your perfect companion. The Vangoa B-flat clarinet is designed specifically for beginners. Right from the moment you unbox it, it's clear that this isn't just a cheap starter instrument. It's a full-featured kit made to help you learn, play, and grow as a musician. Let's start with the build quality. The body is crafted from durable ABS material, which makes it lightweight, resilient, and capable of delivering a rich, warm tone. You might not expect this kind of resonance from a synthetic material, but the Vangoa surprises you. Its sound is stable, projecting, and pleasing, just what a student needs while developing their ear and technique. Now, onto the keys. This model comes with nickel-plated keys, which not only add a sleek silver finish but also ensure long-term durability and resistance to corrosion. The key layout follows the 17-key French bore system, which is widely used and helps make transitions smoother for students who may eventually upgrade to professional models. The ergonomic design of the keys ensures that your fingers feel comfortable, even during long practice sessions. There's an excellent airtight seal, thanks to the well-designed pads, and that results in reliable intonation across the range of the instrument. Let's talk about what makes this clarinet truly student-friendly: the setup. Assembly is straightforward and tuning is simple, with an adjustable double mouthpiece connector. That allows for better control over tuning, a thoughtful feature for beginners who are still learning how to manage embouchure and airflow. But what really sets the Vangoa B-flat clarinet apart is the full starter kit that comes in the box. You're not just getting a clarinet. You're getting a complete setup that includes a 4C mouthpiece, a hard shell protective case, a stand, a brush, lip balm, toothpad, 10 reeds plus a resin reed, gloves, a shoulder strap, and a mouthpiece cap. There's even a detailed manual to help guide you through the process of setup and care. This level of support makes it incredibly easy for any student to get started without needing to make any additional purchases. One small detail that many beginners overlook but end up appreciating is the dual barrel system. The Vangoa includes 2 barrels, giving you a little flexibility in tuning and response, which can be a game changer when you're just starting out and still experimenting with your sound. Another big plus is portability. The included carrying case is solid and secure, keeping everything well organized and protected. Whether you're heading to school band practice, a private lesson, or a performance, it's all easy to transport. In terms of aesthetics, the clarinet has a classic black body accented by shiny nickel-plated keys, a timeless look that matches its elegant sound. It feels professional without being intimidating. If you're a beginner, child, teen, or adult who wants a dependable, well-designed, and great-sounding instrument without spending a fortune, the Vangoa B-flat clarinet is an excellent choice. It bridges that gap between affordability and quality, giving you a reliable tool to grow with. And that wraps up our review of the Vangoa B-flat clarinet here on Product Critique. If you're just getting started on your musical journey, this instrument deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep playing, keep learning, and keep listening.